Hello, welcome to DK Bowl Chat. I'm glad you're here. I am going to paint some birds on these little artist originals. I still have to sign the back at some point, but I have multiple ones cut out and ready to go. And for now, I'm putting in the color of the foreground. It's already got partially blue and green, which are my favorite colors, and then I'm going to blend them. So that was a round brush. Let me show you. It's a number 4 round by Blick, and it is made for acrylic. This paint is made by Blick, and I believe it's Blick Studio, but I enjoy doing these. They don't take much time to do, and I have clients that buy them down at the shop down here in Sherwood, and so they sell. And this last month 3 of them sold, so that was great. I have them framed and they're inexpensive. So anyway, I'm going to put in some birds, and to start with I want to put a robin in here. I don't think I've ever painted a robin. So I've got the background color on it, and I want to put in a little bit of the reddish brown that would be the body of the robin. And do I want it dead center? Well, I need to figure out where a branch is going to be first. So let me put the branch there. And I'm glad you're here with me. I enjoy doing these videos on YouTube. I think a robin can be on a branch. You usually see them in the grass. So take a little bit of ultramarine in that burnt umber, make it a little darker brown. I'm putting in, this is a round brush. This is a 3/0 round. Yeah, I'll put that across there. Make a nice branch. That's pretty good. That's good, and we'll put a robin right on there. Put a robin on it. Used to be put a bird on it, but we'll put a robin there. And it will just be proudly sitting there. Let's get its body started. Get its body started. There we go. It's on alert. It's going to be standing up pretty straight. And their little tummies are red like this, and then it's got some gray for wings. I'm not concerned about the texture. I'll leave it. There we go. Now I need to make some gray. So I've got quite a palette here, but there's burnt umber and ultramarine. I'm going to pull 2 of them together, and I'm using distilled water because it's going to be mixed with this paint. I don't want it to make it smell funny, so I'm using distilled to help it not rot. And I will make this a nice gray. Let's see what color that comes out to when we add a little white to it. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. That is pretty good. Bring that in for its wings. And its little head. Let's just put its little head on there. A little further back. We have robins all the time, and they seem so cheerful. There's its tail. There we go. Nice little head. And it's got wings, so those wings are going to have feathers that are, I'm just going to put them in. I'm grabbing a little bit of white with this gray. I don't want to pick up the red, even though it's still wet. I'm going to go into both separately. And it's got a little white right at the base of its tail. And its private area there. There we go. I'll clean that off. Got blue on my brush. All right, I'm ready to go get more gray. I'm glad you're here with me. Like I said, I enjoy doing these videos. And hopefully this is visible the whole time. It's quite the palette there. I'll put the base in there. Let me get more water. I need to roll it so I can get it to behave because it's got some little hairs sticking out. I'll just go right here. Put in its little head. Its wee little head. There it goes. Its eyeball is larger. And I don't think it would be right in that spot. We'll figure this out as we go. I'm putting more feathers. On its wings especially. I hope you join me to paint this. It would just require doing a background, which is phthalo blue. It's got I've got some green in these corners, and I'm going to put more green because right now it looks like it's more abstract. But for now, I'm putting in the bird because I couldn't wait. For this cheery little bird to appear. Let's bring that tail down. Body proportion would be a little longer. There we go. Its legs are sort of gray too, so I'm going to go for a lighter gray here. Roll the brush and put in its legs. Again, rolling the brush helps you to control it. And its beak is going to be yellow, so I'm going to put some white where that beak's going to go. And we'll put it in next time. Put that little white part where the beak's going to go. And I hope this sells to a client that loves little robins in their yard. Might have to thin down that beak a bit. I'm going to make it smaller. So I just rinsed off my brush, and I've got, if I just pull alongside here, I can make that as small as I want to make it because this background was dry before I got, well, part of it was dry anyway. You can also back paint it if you want to. That's pretty good. I think that's good. I'm going to call that good for today. Thank you for joining me. I will see you in the next video. God bless you.